Every week, professionals waste 14 hours doing things AI can now do in minutes. These are the 5 tools that are changing that right now. Number 5. Perplexity. Before this tool, research meant 20 open tabs, conflicting sources, and an hour lost chasing answers. Now you type one question and Perplexity delivers a cited, synthesized answer in 15 seconds. It has replaced Google for serious research. That is 2.1 hours back every single week. Number 4. ElevenLabs. Recording a voiceover used to mean booking a studio, running retakes, and editing for hours. ElevenLabs lets you clone your own voice or choose from hundreds of studio-quality options and produce broadcast-ready audio in under 3 minutes, in 32 languages, no microphone required. 3.6 hours saved per week. Number 3. Runway Gen-4. Need video footage? Before, that meant a film crew, a location booking, and weeks of editing. Gen 4 generates cinematic, broadcast-ready clips from a text prompt in under 2 minutes. It understands motion, lighting, and scene continuity, 2.8 hours back every week. Number 2. Cursor. Developers used to bounce between Stack Overflow, documentation, and their editor all day long. Cursor ends that. It is an AI-native code editor that understands your entire codebase and writes, edits, and refactors code alongside you in real time. The best engineers are already using it. 5.3 hours saved per week. And number 1, Claude from Anthropic. When a complex problem once took 4 hours of debugging and research, Claude diagnoses the root cause in under 8 minutes. Long documents, complex code, nuanced reasoning, all handled across an enormous context window. 4.1 hours saved per week. It is in a different league entirely. 14 hours back every week. Which of these are you starting with? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more breakdowns like this every Tuesday.